Hey everyone, hola, aloha, ciao, salut, ni hao, namaste, ohayo, yagamasma. Здравствуйте, привет, buna, jindubai, siestok. Hello, Sincha, Yubasio, Tere, Salam alaikum, Saskriaka, Marhaban, Merhaba. Welcome everyone, my name is Brunel. Oh, right, just a little bit of information, so I want to make this video as short as possible. Ciate, London, I've collaborated with Courtney Act. Now, personally, I don't know much about Courtney Act at all. What I do know is that she's the drag queen. I think she's Australian. She was in the UK and she did win Big Brother, Celebrity Big Brother. But I don't watch Big Brother and I'm not really into celebrity stuff anyway. But apparently she's really, really lovely. So if you know who she is, great. If you don't know who she is, like me, it doesn't really matter. And it is called was it Stamp and Drag. Stamp and Drag. Stamp and Drag. And of course drag, play on the drag queen aspect of it. If like me, you are sometimes lazy, or sometimes you struggle, or all the time you struggle to get the perfect wing liner. For me personally, I find this eye easier than this one. This one is never right, not even on a very good day. They are never, ever, ever, ever exact. So I decided to try one of these out. The packaging is very pretty. It's got like a rose goldy type of feeling. And I love anything gold. I've just got a thing for gold. So love it. So this is the packaging, and it's got here Stamp and Drag on it. The actual packaging itself comes in this, where you've got the eyes. And let's just quickly read the back of it. By the way, if you want to skip straight to the demo, look below now so you can jump through that. You're welcome. But for anybody else who says, hey guys, Ciate London and I have come to your wing liner rescue with the game-changing Stamp and Drag. Blah, blah, I can't believe this. I can't leave the house without wing liner, blah, blah, blah. Forget that part. The application seems really, really simple. It says here, 1, apply the stamp on the outer corner of the eye. 2, use the lip, the lip. 2, use the felt tip liner with eye. Oh God, I can't read today. Use felt tip to line the eye and join the wing. Now that's different from how I normally do my eyeliner. I normally kind of line it first and then I'll do the wing at the last bit, but we'll do it the way it asks. I'll start off with my good eye, which is this one, and hopefully that will be okay. So I have no idea which end is which, so let's try it out. Right, oh, there's the stamp. Yes, hopefully you'll be able to see that. I'm just checking on the monitor to see. So you got the stamp, and then you've got, of course, you've got the liner, which is very sharp. Whoa! Okay, well, I can't wait to try this one out. So very, very close. Sorry if you see something that you kind of look at and think, ah! My eye, this one is a bit swollen, it's a bit sore. I have no idea what's going on. You're a bit up close and personal to my eyes and my wrinkles, but never you mind. Right, oh, okay, right, okay, let's try this. Right, corner of the eye, right there. Ooh, if this doesn't work, then I'm gonna be in trouble because I'm going out. Okay, go. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's there, it's there. I have no idea how. Okay, well, it's very black, which is good, all right. So, oh my goodness. Okay, let's line the eye then and see how that works out. I'm gonna pull my eye, because I've got a kind of eye that's got lots of skin, so I have to pull it down, and then we'll see. Ooh, don't get it messy. Ooh, the tip is very, very sharp, very pointed. Now, this is perfect for getting the inner corners. But if you want to join and thicken the line, You see? That's not bad. Okay, this is not bad at all, actually. You do, usually, I had to move away from the screen for a little bit because I usually do my eyeliner. I don't, it's weird, but I don't like doing my eyeliner when I'm sitting down. It's never quite right. I usually stand up and do it, so it felt a bit awkward. But it's not bad at all as a kind of like sharp point. It's a good one, actually, as a guiding point. What I do love about it is that it's so black. The eyeliner is really, really black. The other end as well, the pointed end liner bit is actually very, very pointed and also very dark, which is really great, especially if you've got tiny eyelids and you haven't got a lot of space. You can really get into the inner corner of the eye and make it really, really sharp. You know, when you get that look where you kind of take the eyeliner a bit closer and down. I don't normally do that anyway because my eyes are big enough as it is, so I can get away with it. But look how dark that is. Let's try the other eye and see just how exact, because this is the eye that I normally have major problems with. You just have to make sure that you position it the right way, in the right place. But I think once you play with it and you get used to it, it should be okay. So let's try it before I start singing his praises. So, oh my God, okay. That's look at that, that's just like I told you this one is more like that way, but this one is so all the way out. Okay. Right, again, off camera I'm gonna line up the rest because it's just a simple one, and then try and join it and make it less sharp at the top, and then I'll give you my final thoughts, and I'll finish off the rest of my face as well, back in a mo with it all completed and everything. And ta-da! It's all done. I mean, look at that. Would I recommend this? Absolutely, actually. If it had been just the stamp example at the end, I would have said, no way, Jose, whoever Jose is. Sorry, Jose, whoever you are. But if it had been that, I would have said, oh, my phone's kind of tinkering, so I need to go. If it was just that, I would have said no. But because it has actually got a liner attached to it, and because it is a darn good liner, actually, I'd say, then I would say it's definitely worth it. And it worked really well on this eye, which is always my easy eye, as I pointed out earlier. This one was more difficult because obviously I actually did it wrong and it was a bit too high up, and I had to play about with the end a bit more. However, that's more to do with knowing where to place it. So if you tinker about with it and you know where to place it, it's actually quite really useful. It will be very helpful. Initially, when you just place it, you might look at the wing and think, I'm not too sure about this. Shut your eye and then you see what the difference is. It's actually really nice. And also make sure, obviously, that when you're joining the eyeliner itself, the main part of your eye, that after you've joined it, shut your eye and make sure that everything, the line is seamless from where it starts at the corner to where it joins your eye, and then play with it. By that, what I mean is, look at this. If I hadn't shut my eyes, this a bit where it joins would not have been perfect, or it would not have been smooth, kind of like a smooth transition. You would have been able to see the difference. It's not visible when your eyes open, but when your eyes close, then you can see. So always do that. That's what I've learned anyway, just in case you didn't know that. But if you did and you think, I know that already, oh, all right then, calm down. As usual, thank you very much for watching my video. I hope that you did find this useful. I'm actually recommending this at £15. It's not the most expensive, it's not the cheapest, but however, eyeliners on their own are usually about £15, and I've forgotten which one I normally, which other company, but I use that as well. And it's usually not far off that price either. So it's actually very handy. I'm quite happy actually that I bought this. Thank you. Bisous, au revoir, goodbye, kisses, and I will speak to you all very soon. Bye.